When it comes to attracting women and keeping women's interest in you, the worst mistake any guy can make is to become boring or to be boring. Women are emotional creatures. They are controlled by their emotions. The minute a woman gets bored of being with you, she will start losing interest in you, and before you know it, she will leave you. If you make a woman bored being around you, she doesn't get excited, you don't rock her emotions, you don't give her emotional ups and downs, most likely that girl will leave you. It is better that you are making a girl cry all the time, that you are creating drama, than that you are being boring to her. That's truth. So you must always avoid being boring to these women. Now, how can you fix this problem assuming you are a boring guy? The first one is you must flirt with her. You must be a guy who knows how to flirt with women. Now, when you flirt with women, you make them feel sexy. That's basically it. You make them feel wanted. And women love that emotion, that this guy is flirting with me. This guy is being flirtatious. He's being nasty. He's being naughty with me. Women feel wanted when you do this and they feel excited. Once in a while, tell your girl that, babe, you're looking nice. And if care is not taken, I'll devour you. Tell her things like, babe, after cooking, come because I'm going to eat you. Make eye contact with them. Once in a while, grab their butt. Once in a girl, in public, when you guys are in public, smartly or let's say gently grab her butt and whisper in her ears, hope you know you belong to me. Like that, we basically bring up a different feeling inside her. You must be flirtatious. When you are flirtatious with your woman or with any woman, those women will find it very, very easy to jump into bed with you. This is one thing you guys must know. If you're not flirtatious with women, especially women you want to make your girlfriends, most likely they will friend zone you because you're not basically building that sexual tension between both of you. What will make a girl find you very attractive is when you are constantly building the sexual tension between both of you. And you can only achieve this by being flirtatious. The second one is don't talk about yourself. When you're always talking about yourself, you make every conversation you have with a woman centered on you. Women will find you boring. They'll see you as somebody who is not exciting because every day you're talking about yourself, every day you keep singing your own praises. And this is what most guys usually get wrong during those talking stages. You want a girl to like you, but every day you're always talking about yourself. No, that girl will find you, will see you as a boring guy. Women are attracted to excitement. And one of the easiest ways to excite any woman is to center the conversations about her. Talk about her life. Make jokes with her. Basically, make her feel good about herself. Compliment her. Sing her praises to an extent. And women will love you. It's better that you are talking about a woman than you're talking about yourself. Because the moment you start talking about yourself, the moment you make every conversation you have with a woman about yourself, she'll see you as a boring guy. And of course, women don't love boring guys. The third one is you must have passion and ambition. One of the easiest ways to make women excited around you when they are with you is when you have passions and ambition. When you're a guy who is goal-oriented, probably you love going to the gym, you love playing sports, you're always on your hustle, you're always a man who is as if they cannot really cage. Because when a woman comes into your life, she will try to control you, she will try to put you in a box, she will try to basically put you in a cage. But when you are a man who is difficult to control, when you are a man who basically have so many things that makes his life interesting, women will find you very, very attractive, and they'll feel excited when they are with you because you are a man who excites them. You are a man who they cannot just box down. But when a woman can easily control you, she'll get bored of you because you are a man who has no drive, no ambition, nothing motivates you. You basically make your life all about that woman. You try to make your life revolve around that woman. The more you make your life revolve around the woman, the more she'll get bored and tired of being with you. So you must have things that drive you, things that keep you busy, things that you basically are interested in doing. You must have hobbies. You must have goals. You must have a purpose. When you are a man who cannot be boxed, women will want you more and women will like you and find you exciting. It's as simple as that. The fourth one is you must enjoy taking risk and you must be playful around her. When you're a guy who is always playful around the woman and you're the kind of guy who also loves to take risk, women will always find you excited. The reason why some of you guys end up losing these women, because of course, when you do this, women will find you boring and they will leave you, is because you're not playful enough. If you really want to enjoy being with women, you must treat women as if they are children. You must treat women as if they are your little sisters, as if they are your last born at home. Women love guys who can be playful. Don't always be afraid. Oh, maybe if I crack this joke now, this girl will get angry with me. And before knowing it, she'll leave me. The more you try to be careful when you're around a woman, especially with the way you treat her and what kind of jokes you make about her, the more likely you're going to lose that woman. Be yourself. Play with her, joke with her as if she's a little child. Always be playful around the woman. If you can make a woman laugh, if you can make a woman basically have a good time anytime she's around you, the woman will grow to love you. The woman will grow to be attached to you because you are very playful. One of the reasons why a good number of girls love me and basically want me is because of how playful I am. Women live boring lives, so they always want to be around guys who excite them and guys who basically make them laugh and make them always have a good time. So if you really want women to keep being with you and like you and not get bored of you, you must be playful. Don't be too boring. Don't be a boring guy to women because obviously they will leave you. Now the last one is, if you really want women to find you exciting and not boring, you must learn to challenge them. When you are always agreeing with a woman, anything your woman says, you will agree. You never challenge her. You never tell her no. They will find it very, very easy to leave you. Now, some of you guys think that if you always agree to whatever your woman is saying, she will like you more and she will be with you more. No. The more you agree to whatever your woman says, the more she'll find you as being boring. Women want guys who can challenge them. Because obviously, the major reason why women even come to men in the first place, the major reason why women want to date men, want to marry men, is so that these men can lead them, can guide them. Now, you cannot be a leader. You cannot call yourself a leader. Yet, whatever your woman says, you agree. You don't have your own opinions. You don't have your own mind. You allow your woman to control you and call the shots. Your woman must end up seeing you as boring and she'll end up leaving you. That's truth. When your woman says something you don't like, tell her, see, babe, I don't like this. Let's do it this way. She'll see you as more masculine, as more authoritative, as more assertive. And all these things makes women find it very, very exciting. Women love it when they see that masculine energy in a man. When they see that authoritative side of a man. Babe, no, let's do it this way. They love it. So you must be a guy who can call your shots and tell your woman no and challenge your woman. The more you challenge her, the more she'll find you attractive. But when you always agree to whatever she says, the more she'll see you as weak, as boring, and as unattractive. So as simple as that. So these are the 5 mistakes that some of you make. And these are also the 5 ways you can correct these mistakes.